So hello dear students, আমি প্রফেসর অরিন্দ্য দাস। আমি একটা কোর্স লঞ্চ করেছি অন রিয়েল গ্যাস। এই কোর্সটা তোমাদের জন্য প্রচণ্ড বেনিফিশিয়াল হতে চলেছে। এই কোর্সটাতে আমি কমপ্লিট লেকচার ভিডিওস, কমপ্লিট স্টাডি মেটেরিয়াল, পুরোপুরি পিআইকিউ সলিউশনস সমস্ত কিছু দিয়েছি। এই কোর্সটা বেনিফিটসগুলোর মধ্যে এখানে তোমরা লাইফ টাইম অ্যাক্সেস পেয়ে যাবে এই সমস্ত কিছুর। তাছাড়া তোমাদের একটা লাইভ ইন্টারাক্টিং ফোরাম দেব, যেখানে আমি অনলাইন থাকবো, তোমাদের সমস্ত ডাউট ক্লিয়ারেন্স করে দেবো। এই সমস্ত ডিটেলস আমার কোর্স এক্সপ্লেনিং ভিডিওতে দেওয়া আছে। সবাই এই কোর্সটা জয়েন করো। নট অনলি তোমাদের কনসেপ্ট বিল্ডিং পারপাস এটা বেনিফিশিয়াল হবে, বাট তোমাদেরকে এটা এক্সাম রেডিও করবে। সো থ্যাংক ইউ অল। আমি এখন এখান থেকে লগ অফ করছি।
Hello dear students, this is Professor Anindya from Achievers, and in today's lecture I will introduce you to the very important course on real gas, and I have named this course as AD@course#1. In this particular video I will explain you about the nuances of my course on real gas. Real gas is basically a very important topic in gaseous state, and most of the times you see that one emphasizes on KTOG, the kinetic theory of gases, to a very greater extent in comparison to real gases. But real gas is also of equal importance, not only in terms of your university examination and also in terms of your entrance examinations as well. So students, let us proceed into this course description video. So you see, this is a course where we have the comprehensive idea on this particular topic, real gas. Okay. So at first, let us get acquainted with the syllabus of this particular topic. What do we have? We have deviation of gases from ideal behavior. Actually, real gases are those entities which deviates a bit from the ideal gases. In ideal gas, what you have? You have point mass, that is, ideal gas molecules are devoid of volume and they are devoid of any intermolecular interactions. But in real gas, what will have? You will have definite self-molecular volume and you will have intermolecular interactions. So there is a deviation from ideal behavior. Then we will introduce you to a very important topic or a very important parameter, which is nothing but this compressibility factor. This compressibility factor. This compressibility factor is a very important topic. You see, this is compressibility factor. Then again, a very important parameter will introduce, that is boil temperature. Then we'll move on to two very important experiments. One is Andrews experiment, another is Amagat's experiment. Then we'll derive the first real gas equation, the first real gas equation considering these two facts, that is, the real gas molecules have self-molecular volume and they do have interactions. It was done by van der Waals. So we'll have the very primitive expression of real gas equation that was given by van der Waals. So this is van der Waals gas equation. Basically, what we'll do here, we'll convert PV equal to nRT, the ideal gas equation, into van der Waals equation, which is nothing but P plus n square A by V square whole multiplied by V minus NB equal to nRT. So we'll do that. So this is the van der Waals equation, and we will also learn its features. We'll derive its derivation, and then the applications in explaining real gas behavior. We'll use this equation to explain all the real gas behaviors. Then we'll move on to the very important experiment, that is Andrews experiment. In Andrews experiment, we'll understand the liquefaction of gases, and thereby we'll get acquainted to the critical state. So we'll understand the existence of critical state. Then we'll understand the critical constants. Critical constants refers to the critical temperature, the critical volume, the critical pressure. So we'll understand those critical constants, the relevance of those critical constants. Then we'll derive those critical constants in context to the Van der Waals equation of state. In terms of Van der Waals equation of state, then we'll do a very important law, the law of corresponding states. According to the law of corresponding states, we'll find that basically there is no demarcation between there is no demarcation between the gaseous state and the liquid state. Basically, the liquid state is a continuity of the gaseous state. That's what we learn in the law of corresponding states. Then we'll move on to the virial equation of state. This is very important. This is one of the most generalized equation of real gas, which can explain all the real gas behaviors. So we'll understand the virial equation of state, and we'll try to develop the Van der Waals equation of state from the virial equation of state. So we'll express the Van der Waals form, Van der Waals equation in terms of the virial form, and we'll understand the constants related to the virial equation of state. We'll name those constants as the virial coefficients. The second virial coefficient, this is very important. You'll see the importance of these second virial coefficients in the videos of in the course description and the lecture videos. You'll find the importance of this term, the second virial coefficient. Eventually you'll come to know about all these things. And then what we'll do the intermolecular forces. We'll understand the Lennard-Jones potential, and in this way we will complete the entire real gas chapter. And in addition to these things, also we will do some other real gas equations, like the Dietz equation of state, the Berthelot equation of state. We'll also understand those equation of states as well. Okay. So this is what we'll do. Now, we need to know the objectives of this particular course. So let us get acquainted with the course overview. So there are 5 important objectives of this particular course. My objective 1, in this particular course, you'll have lifetime access to complete course lecture videos. You have lifetime access to the complete course lecture videos. If you purchase this particular course, then you'll have complete course lecture videos and you'll have lifetime access. My objective 2 is complete course lecture notes. All the study materials will be made available to you, including the previous questions, and you'll have lifetime access. Objective 3, you'll have extensive practice problems, including PYQs. And this PYQs, the solved PYQs, will be made available to you in the course lecture notes. Okay. Next. Objective 4. You'll have some course related quizzes and tests, and all future updations will be free. That means if there are any further questions coming in university examinations in upcoming years, that will be freely updated. Okay. Next what? Next, this is very important. Live online faculty meet on the 15th and 30th of every month with access to the recordings. So on every 15th and 30th, I will come online and clear all your doubts, and those recordings, those class recordings will be made available to you. So if you purchase this particular course, you are availing these 5 important features. These 5 important features. Okay. So if you see, you'll get lecture videos. Next, you'll get lecture notes. Next, you'll have live faculty doubt clearings. Next, you have exams. Next, obviously, success. That's what we are running after, success, and this is quite evident that we'll be successful. So, what are our commitments? Our first commitment is lifetime access. Second, the number of lectures. Third is the validity of the lectures. Fourth is validity of study materials. All are lifetime valid. 5, live faculty interactions. Yes, you have live faculty interactions. And what is the course price? It's just 600. It's just 600. Actually, these 5 lectures, what I've given over here, it's split it into short lecture videos. These 5 primarily important lectures is split it into short videos. Okay. So you can see our commitments. You have lifetime access to all the videos. You have lifetime access to all the study materials. You have faculty interactions, lifetime faculty interactions. And the course price is very, very cheap. It's just rupees 600. So, if we want to summarize these things together, so the first thing is you have lifetime access to all the recorded videos. Second, you have lifetime access to study materials of all this course. Third, you have faculty meet online on every 15th and 30th of the month. And finally, you have quizzes and tests for better understanding. So, these are the 4 important salient features of this particular course. You can see there are so many people who have purchased this particular course and they have become successful. Okay. Now, how can you join this particular course? You have to follow the description of this video, or you can contact in these following numbers, phone numbers, to get access to this particular course. And students, these are the admission helplines. Okay. And finally, students, we all believe in a very important quote, that is, it's not over until you win. So we all believe in this. Here at Achievers, we believe in this. So it's just you need to give more and more effort, and obviously success will follow you. So I am Professor Anindya, and I am logging off from this video, and see you soon in this particular course. So thank you and bye-bye.